Hello guys, welcome to another video. Here is top 3 tips for beginners in Roblox Studio. Number 1. Here is how you can enable to make a certain user to play or build your game. Look at my mouse to see where to find the button Collaborate, which is on the top right. Now click where my mouse is. Sorry about the problem, there was an error recording, but here you can see you got options. You can press play or build here. Number 2. When searching for an item, don't do this. If you feel it hard to move and a bit laggy, you will need to remove it to avoid laggy games. Just right-click, then you will see a delete button with an icon. Number 3. This is how you can put a picture. Go to an item with a picture. Click it. Now follow the mouse and see how I do it. Now click the item. Find the word decal by pressing the arrows. Now click it. As you can see, you can't see what I'm doing, it's because there's an error, but don't worry, it's easy to use. You just have to press add image when you see the icon. I kind of done it the other way, but yeah, it changes. That is all that I can tell. I hoped you learned something today. Subscribe, like and comment. Goodbye.